My pond. I have a fish pond out back that harbors little things. Some swim, crawl, jump, and some have wings. What I like best of all is dressed in white and green. He is very shy, you see, and dislikes being seen. He plays among the lily pads and splashes all about. He makes the little children giggle, laugh, and shout. I have given him a name, you can bet on that. It isn't Mary, Tom, or Mike, but Pat. He's green on top, with big green eyes, white on the bottom, and he catches flies. Have you guessed what he is? Well, for heaven's sake, it's Froggies! Phonics for lesson 37. We're going to start reviewing our consonant sounds. I'm using my tiles this time, so you don't have to say the whole sentence. You don't have to say H says as in hedgehog. You just tell me the sound. So when I show you this, you say, okay? Let's start. O. T. S. B. B. Okay, let's read some blends. We're going to read these blends a little bit fast. Sa. Se. Si. Saw. Sa. Good job. That was our S blend letter. Now let's do our H blend letter. Tell me if you can spot it when I say the blend in my name. You got to listen for it. Ha. He. He. Ha. Did you get it? There it is. Ha. Holly. Ha. Okay, I know those are fast. We say them fast. We don't take time to sound them out really slowly. We don't say ah every time. Now, if you have to do that, that's okay. But we're trying to practice and work on seeing if we can just say them fast. Okay, last time we learned about the letter D. D says D as in deer. D says D, D, D. What does the D say? D says D. What does the D say? D says D as in deer. D says D, D, D. Okay, now we're going to read our D blends. This time, since it's a new letter, we are going to read it slowly. D, A, da, da. D, E, de, de. D, I, de, de. It looks like I'm missing da. So here's the last one. D, duh, duh. Now, how do you think we would spell the blend da? Which vowel would it have with it? We would start with D. Which vowel would we add? We would say like this. D, da. And those are our D blends. Now, I'm going to show you two blends, okay? Which blend says D? Find the blend that says D. Okay. Which blend says duh? Duh. Which blend says de? De. Here is your phonics paper for today. Match each picture to the letter with which it begins. So the first picture is a turtle. So I want you to draw a line from the turtle to the letter with which the word turtle begins. The next one down is a camel. Next down is balloons. The last one is a sandwich. So draw a line from the sandwich to the letter that is the beginning sound in sandwich. At the top of the next side, those are nuts. They're actually walnuts, but we're going to just call them nuts. Next, you have a mailbox, a leaf, and a hammer. Draw a line from the picture to the letters which with it begins. Let's get started with numbers, lesson 37. Here are number cards again. You tell me the number and you also tell me if it's a member of the teen family. This is the number 10. Is it a member of the teen family? Yes. How do you know? Because it has a 1 in the front. 10 is a member of the teen family. This is the number 14. Is this a member of the teen family? Yes, because it has a 1 in the front. This is the number 6. Is it a member of the teen family? No, because it has no 1 in the front. This is the number 12. It is a member of the teen family because of the 1. This is the number 15. It is a member of the teen family. This is the number 9. Is 9 a member of the teen family? No, because there is no 1 in the front. This is the number 7. It also is not a member of the teen family. It belongs to the ones family. This is the number 13. We see here there is a 1. It is a member of the teen family. This is the number 8. It is not a member of the teen family. This is the number 11, and 11 is a member of the teen family. I think we're on our last card. It feels like it. Which number is this? We have a 6 and a 1, so we can say 16. This is a member of the teen family. Okay, let's look at our chart. Let's look at this number right here. This one right here. This is the number, well, I don't want to tell it. Is it a member of the teen family? Yes, it is a member of the teen family. And how do you know? You know because it has a 1 in the front. We call this number 17. Here is our 17 card. We've never used it before. The number 17 has a 7 and a 1. Let's count the berries. Now this might be a little bit difficult because there are a lot of berries. So we'll cover some of them up and count them a little at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. When you have so many pictures, it's hard to keep track. You could count them like this. You just have to make sure you're not counting the same one over or skipping any. So here we have 17 berries. Let's clap 17 times, and we're going to count out loud as we clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now the last thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a new number. I'm going to draw the number 7 two ways. The first way I draw it is the normal way. I start on the top and I draw a very straight line over, flat line. Then I start at this side and I draw a slicky slide down to the floor. This is the number 7. And if you write your 7s like this, this is completely okay. If you want your 7s to be a little bit fancier, you can write it like this. I make a tiny little mark, and then instead of going just straight across, I make a little dip. Do you see my dip? It's just a little one. This is more like, you could call it a cursive 7. Then I go to the floor. So I'm going to draw that one more time. We saw today that today is lesson 37. So I drew a 3 and then a 7. That's how we draw the number 7. Here is your math paper for today. I want you to do the first part with me. So first, pause the video and write your name on the top. Okay, get ready to circle the number that I say. Come to the first box that is on the top of the mountains and circle the number 12. Circle the number 12. Now go to the box that is above the mountains on the right. When you find that one, circle the number 7. 7. Next, find the box that is in the middle of the page and circle the number 11. Which one is the number 11? Last, go down to the green box and circle the number 10. Circle the number 10. When you are finished, you can practice tracing and writing the number 7 at the bottom. First Timothy 6, 6 and 7. But godliness with contentment is great gain. For we brought nothing into this world, and it is certain we can carry nothing out. 1 Timothy 6, 6 and 7.